Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can connect OKX wallet to Pixeltap. So first step you need to do is to open Telegram and you need to search for the Pixeltap. Click on that and click on Fight for Supply. Okay, now it will be open and click on next, next again, next again and next again. Click on OK. So now you are on the level 1. Now you simply need to click on this wallet. Here you can see connect wallet. So I want to connect with OKX. And here you can see, do you have a OKX account? Click on yes, I have it. And here you can see that write down your USDT ERC20 wallet address to receive tokens. So you simply need to add address from the OKX. You need to go on to your OKX. So currently I think I do not have OKX on my account or mobile. Okay, so no issue. So you go into the OKX and you need to add your deposit address here and click on made it. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.